I'd like to welcome the Deputy Chair for Aitken Spence and the respective board members of Aitken Spence who now sit on the Ports Terminal Ltd company, and of course the board members of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited and the customers of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited and Ports Terminal Limited. It is our pleasure indeed, as far as the Fijian government is concerned, to have such a wonderful partner in Aitken Spence in Ports Terminal. Deputy Chair, we do like Fiji time, but not Fiji time at the ports. And in fact, that's why you have been invited to participate in this venture at Fiji Ports, because we want to remove the Fiji time at Ports Terminal to make us indeed a regional hub. Geographically, we are placed in the hub, and we need to take advantage of that. And we recognize the fact that in order to do that, we need to have best management systems and indeed best infrastructure. There has been numerous proposals over the past number of years, to build these fantastic superstructures as far as the ports are concerned. But there's no point in building white elephants when you cannot manage it. And I think it will all become white elephants if you do not have a good management system in place and an efficient system in place. So we most humbly welcome you to Fiji, and we look forward to you bringing your skill sets, your expertise that not only exist in Sri Lanka but various other parts of the world, and to inculcate that efficient management systems and management style in the Fijian people, and of course in the wider operations. Ladies and gentlemen, we also today had as highlighted by Dr. Para, the first meeting for Ports Terminal Limited. There are 4 nominees of Aitken Spence that sit on the board, and 3 by Fiji Ports Corporation vis-a-vis the Fijian government. And the nominees from the Fijian side is Hasmukh Patel, CEO of FEA, who is also the chair of Ports Terminal Limited, because the chair has to be a Fijian. And we have Neil Cook from Fiji Road Authority, and we have Vilas Chand from Unit Trust of Fiji, who is also a board member of Fiji Ports Corporation Limited. There are numerous opportunities with Aitken Spence, which we believe that we can explore also. There are various other areas. We have, for information, as was announced some months back, we're currently working on an agreement with Aitken Spence regarding the Fiji Maritime School through the Fiji National University, and we hope to have an agreement on that very, very soon, which will again take advantage of Fiji's geographical location, its maritime positioning, and to provide the level of training that should be internationally recognized, and not just train Fijians to become internationally recognized seafaring persons with the right qualifications, but indeed attract other people to come to Fiji and to have their training. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again. I understand there's a number of cocktails you all have to attend. There's about 3 or 4 on tonight, and lucky you. And thank you once again for being here. I'd like to thank you once again for our newfound friends in Aitken Spence, and I wish you all a very good evening. Unaka, thank you.